Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello, and welcome back to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Welcome to episode 5.
Today, we're going to talk about something very personal.
Something that many people feel but don't talk about.
Loneliness and belonging.
These are deep emotions.
And they're especially common for people learning a new language.
Or living in a new country.
Today, we're going to help you express these feelings in English.
Because talking about your feelings can help you feel less alone.
Let's start with loneliness.
Loneliness means feeling alone.
Even if there are people around you.
You can be in a room full of people and still feel lonely.
This happens to many English learners.
You might not understand conversations around you.
You might feel disconnected.
You might miss your home, your family, your language.
All of this is normal.
And it's okay to feel this way.
Let's learn how to express loneliness in simple English.
The most basic sentence is, I feel lonely.
Let's practice. I feel lonely.
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Next one. You can also say, I feel alone.
Or, I miss my home.
Or, I miss my family.
These are all simple, honest sentences.
Let's practice them. I feel alone.
I miss my home.
I miss my family.
Now you try. Say one sentence about how you feel. Pause.
Thank you for being honest.
Now let's talk about why English learners often feel lonely.
One reason is the language barrier.
A language barrier means you can't communicate easily.
When you can't express yourself fully, you feel isolated.
Isolated means separated from others.
You want to connect with people, but the language makes it hard.
Another reason is missing your culture.
Food, music, holidays, customs.
All of these things connect you to home.
When you're in a new place, you might not have those things.
And that can make you feel lonely.
Another reason is starting over.
Maybe you had friends and family back home.
Maybe you had a good job.
But in this new place, you're starting from zero.
That's hard.
It's okay to grieve that loss.
Grieve means to feel sad about losing something.
Let's learn how to talk about these feelings.
I feel disconnected.
I feel isolated.
I feel like I don't belong here.
I'm struggling to make friends.
I miss my old life.
These sentences are honest and brave.
Let's practice them slowly. I feel disconnected.
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Next one. I feel like I don't belong here.
Now you try. Pause.
You're doing great.
Now let's talk about belonging.
Belonging is the opposite of loneliness.
Belonging means feeling like you fit in.
Like you're part of a community.
Like people accept you.
Everyone needs to feel belonging.
It's a basic human need.
When you learn a new language, belonging can feel far away.
But it's possible.
Let's learn how to talk about belonging.
I want to feel like I belong.
I want to connect with people.
I want to make friends here.
I want to feel at home.
These sentences express hope.
They show what you want.
Let's practice.
I want to feel like I belong.
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Next one. I want to make friends here.
Now you try. Pause.
Excellent. Now let's talk about small moments of connection.
Even when you feel lonely, there are small moments.
A smile from a stranger.
A kind word from a coworker.
Someone helping you with directions.
These small moments matter.
They remind you that you're not completely alone.
Let's learn how to notice and talk about these moments.
Someone smiled at me today. That was nice.
My coworker helped me. I felt grateful.
A stranger said hello. It made me feel a little less alone.
See, these are small things.
But they're important.
Let's practice.
Someone smiled at me today.
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Now let's do a role play.
Imagine you're talking to a friend who understands what you're going through.
I'll be your friend. Hey, how are you doing?
Honestly, I'm feeling a bit lonely.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's been hard?
I miss my family and I feel like I don't belong here yet.
I understand. That's really hard, but you're not alone. I'm here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Anytime. We can spend more time together if you want.
I'd like that.
See? That was an honest conversation.
The person expressed their feelings.
And the friend listened and offered support.
Now let's practice. I'll be the friend.
Hey, how have you been?
Pause and answer honestly.
I'm sorry you're feeling that way. I'm here for you.
Thank you.
Great job opening up.
Talking about loneliness is not easy.
But it's the first step to feeling less alone.
In part 2, we'll talk about ways to build belonging.
We'll practice more conversations.
And we'll talk about finding community.
Thank you for listening to part 1.
We know this topic is emotional.
But you're not alone.
We're here with you.
See you in part 2. Welcome back to part 2.
In part 1, we talked about loneliness.
We learned how to express these deep feelings in English.
Now, in part 2, we're going to talk about building belonging.
How can you create connections in a new place?
How can you feel less lonely?
Let's start with small actions you can take.
Action 1. Say hello to people.
This sounds simple, but it works.
When you see your neighbors, say hello, good morning.
When you're at work, greet your coworkers.
These small greetings create connection,
They show you're friendly.
and over time, they can lead to conversations.
Let's practice some greetings.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Have a nice day.
Now you try. Say one greeting.
Pause.
Good.
Action 2. Ask simple questions.
Questions help you connect with people.
You can ask, how was your weekend?
Or, did you have a good day?
Or, what did you do today?
These questions show you're interested in the other person.
And they open the door for conversation.
Let's practice.
How was your weekend?
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. Next one.
Did you have a good day?
Now you try.
Pause.
Excellent.
Action 3. Join a group or class.
This could be an English class
Or a hobby group.
or a community center.
When you join a group, you meet people with similar interests.
And you have something to talk about.
Let's learn how to talk about joining groups.
I joined an English class.
I'm taking a cooking class.
I go to a community center on Thursdays.
I joined a book club.
These activities help you build community.
Let's practice.
I joined an English class.
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Now let's talk about sharing your culture.
One way to feel belonging is to share where you're from.
You can talk about your country,
Your food.
your traditions,
When you share your culture, you teach others.
and you create connection.
Let's learn how to talk about your culture.
I'm from and your country.
In my country, we celebrate.
My favorite food from home is.
Let me tell you about my culture.
These sentences invite conversation.
Let's practice.
I'm from Mexico.
Now you try with your country. Pause.
Good. Next one.
My favorite food from home is tacos.
Now you try with your favorite food.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now let's do a role play.
Imagine you're at a community event. You meet someone new. I'll be that person. Hi, I'm David. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I'm Megan. I moved here 3 months ago.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
That's great. How are you finding it here?
It's been challenging. I'm still learning English, but people have been kind.
That's good to hear. If you ever need anything, let me know.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
See, that was a friendly conversation.
The person opened up about their experience.
And the other person offered support.
Now, let's practice. I'll be the new person.
Hi, I'm David. Are you new here?
Pause and answer.
Where are you from?
Pause.
How are you finding it here?
Pause.
If you need anything, feel free to reach out.
Great job. Now, let's talk about realistic expectations.
Building belonging takes time.
You won't make deep friendships in 1 week.
It might take months.
And that's normal.
Be patient with yourself.
Every small connection is a step forward,
Every conversation is progress.
even if it feels slow.
Let's talk about how to express this. I'm taking it one day at a time.
I'm slowly making connections.
It's hard, but I'm trying.
I know it takes time.
These sentences show patience and hope.
Let's practice.
I'm taking it one day at a time.
Now, you try. Pause.
Good. Now let's talk about self-compassion.
Self-compassion means being kind to yourself.
When you feel lonely, don't be hard on yourself.
Don't think, I'm failing, I should be better at this.
Instead, think, this is hard. I'm doing my best.
Let's practice some kind self-talk.
I'm doing my best.
It's okay to feel lonely sometimes.
I'm brave for trying.
I will find my place here.
Say one of these to yourself right now.
Pause.
Good.
Now, let's talk about reaching out.
When you feel very lonely, reach out to someone.
Call a family member.
Text a friend.
Talk to a coworker.
Even online communities can help.
You don't have to suffer alone.
Let's learn how to reach out.
Can we talk? I'm feeling a bit lonely.
I could use some company. Are you free?
I'm having a hard time. Can I call you?
These are brave sentences.
They show you trust someone.
Let's practice.
Can we talk? I'm feeling a bit lonely.
Now you try.
Pause.
Excellent.
Now, let's do our long recap.
In episode 5, we talked about loneliness and belonging.
We learned how to express loneliness.
I feel lonely. I miss my home. I feel disconnected.
We talked about why English learners often feel lonely.
Language barriers, missing your culture, starting over.
We learned about belonging.
I want to feel like I belong. I want to make friends here.
In part 2, we learned actions to build belonging.
Say hello to people. Ask simple questions. Join groups or classes.
We talked about sharing your culture.
I'm from and your country.
My favorite food from home is...
We talked about realistic expectations.
Building belonging takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
We practiced self-compassion.
I'm doing my best.
It's okay to feel lonely sometimes.
I'm brave for trying.
I will find my place here.
And we learned how to reach out when you're struggling.
Can we talk? I'm feeling a bit lonely.
I could use some company. Are you free?
The most important message is this.
You are not alone in feeling alone,
Many people feel this way.
especially when learning a new language or living in a new place.
But there is hope.
You can build connections.
You can find belonging.
It takes time, but it's possible.
So here's your challenge for today.
Do one thing to build connection.
Say hello to a neighbor.
Ask a coworker how their day was.
Join an online English learning group.
Just one small action.
Every small step matters.
Thank you so much for listening to all 5 episodes.
We've covered so much together.
How to express your feelings.
How to speak when you're nervous.
Understanding that you're not bad at English.
English for work.
And loneliness and belonging.
These are the foundations of learning English,
Not just grammar and vocabulary.
but real human connection.
We're so proud of you for listening,
For practicing,
for being brave.
you're doing something very difficult.
And you're doing it well.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep speaking even when you're nervous.
Keep reaching out, even when you feel alone.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us.
Goodbye for now.
And remember, you're not alone.
Please subscribe to the channel.
See you next time.